Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and it is time for an Oraloa unboxing. Now when I do receive paintings from Oraloa, I tend to receive about 3 at a time and I spread out the unboxings. And I think I've saved my favourite till last. It's debatable because Tangerine Dream is a dream, but I think this one's my favourite. So let me show you the painting that I got from Oraloa, or this painting that I got from Oraloa. It is an Oraloa design and it is called New York. Oh, camera, focus, thank you. Yeah, it is called New York, and I personally think this one is going to be such fun to do. So, can you see the image down there? It's like a poster. It's like a poster. Let's get all the bits out the way. So there we go. That is the canvas of New York. I think it's such different. I mean, it's similar to, maybe it is similar to Tangerine Dream, but it's still different colourings to a lot of other paintings in my stash, which I do like to have that variety. And just look at the colours in that. It's orange and pink, isn't it? It's a cute orange and pink. So to show you the bits, these are always jam-packed toolkits from Oraloa. So you get a pen with a 3-placer, you get a funnel. That's one of the nice funnels. Might have to pop that one in my... I've got a square funnel at the moment that I just grab when I need one. I don't use funnels often, but when I do grab one, I grab the only square one I've got about, and I prefer that one. Then we have a nice pair of metal tweezers. We have a squishy for the pen, Oraloa's pretty washi tape. We then have wax in a pot, which I must say I do like it when it's in a pot. When I do use wax, we get a nice white boat, and then you get all sorts of other little goodies. So you get a little scratch card, which I'll do later. Then you get a couple of stickers, a couple of coasters, yeah, all the things in their toolkits, auditings. More often than not, these toolkits, I do tend to pass on most bits of these toolkits, but that's going over there. I'm keeping that one. I used the square one doing a kitting up the other day, and it's not nice. So yeah, let's have a look at this. So you do get a sheet just giving you details about diamond painting. So if you're completely brand new to diamond painting, there is a list of instructions, some tips and tricks. It's in multiple different languages. And then you get a sticker sheet. So for this one, we have 54 different colours. 5 are ABs. And it looks like we might have 2 diamond dust in here, or what I call diamond dust. They have many different names by many different companies, but it looks like we might have 2 of them. I'm going to have a hunt in a minute. But that's the image. They've got some pretty funky sticker sheets with this sort of holographic, not so much holographic, but silver backing. But yeah, I think the picture is absolutely gorgeous. This one is a square painting. And let's have a look at the special diamonds, because I always like to look at where placement is for special diamonds. I'm already seeing some placements that I like, but that's primarily on the white ABs. So we have white, yellow, red, green and yellow ABs, and they are diamond dust drills. We have those in lilac and in orange. These are all normal diamonds. Now, diamond dust can be very, very hard to see on camera. but it has like a very, very fine glitter. And it's not even like your big glitter chunks. It's like dust, a dusting of glitter that sparkles. I find you can use your normal pen with these, whether you have a glue dot in them or anything else in them. You can use your normal pen with these, though sometimes a glue dot can struggle with AB diamonds, and then I tend to use one of my wax pickup pens. But Diamond Dust are completely fine. So we have some in 741, and then we have some in the lilac. These are actually a little bit harder to see on pale colours compared to others. They're extremely hard to photograph, but if you ever get some in your hands, they're my favourites. They are my favourites. So I can already see where there is some of 153, and can we see this lighter dot scattering up here? That is where you will find these purple ones. Just checking, there is a couple here as well. There is a couple in this building. These are like single ones, just little scatterings in this building. That tends to be where those are. For the orange Diamond Dust, we have a row of them here at the bottom of the statue, Lady of Liberty. I've completely forgot the name then. So we have a row of them there. We have some here on the taxi, in between the red and where it goes into the full yellow. So we have sort of a bigger chunk of them there on the taxi. We have a little bit here in the flame, and that's what I'm seeing off the bat. There may well be more than that, but that's where I primarily see them. Then if we go to 307, so now we're switching to ABs. We have ABs on the front of the taxi and just going up to the roof, sort of round the windshield. We have some in this lamp. We have some in this lamp. And that's where I'm seeing those. Then we have a paler one. So this is 3078 AB. We have a little row at the front of the taxi. Can you see the headlight? So we have a little bit there. We have a little bit just behind this street light here, and one piece in the street light. Then we have some around the Statue of Liberty. Then we have this big long yellow up and down on this the side of this building. That is this AB, and then we have a little bit here as well. Oh, and a couple in that lamp or street light. For the green, 704 AB, this is where I hunt for it. Oh, we have some in the greenery down here, so this is scattered in this greenery. It is actually scattered here as well. There is also some in the Statue of Liberty. So one of the greens that gives you sort of the sways of the like Roman shawl thing is that green. Then we have 946 AB, which is the red part on the bottom of the taxi. So you're going to have ABs, Diamond Dust, and then ABs. So the taxi is really going to shine. We also have these stripes going up the building, and all of these stripes going down here, the red ones going down here and the red ones up here. They're all this AB. Also these red stripes here going across just on this section are also AB. And then the stripes down here at the bottom, that looks to be the main ABs on that one. And then last but by no means least, we have the whites. The whole of the word New York is in white ABs. These are my favourite ABs, but the whole of New York is in it. And then all these little windows in various buildings, they are all ABs. So there's just a scatter of them. There's also a little bit behind the Statue of Liberty. A couple here. Just little glimmers of it, but the main part will be the whole of the word New York is in white ABs. So I am very much looking forward to doing this one. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, nice different colourway, and I think it'll be fun to see all those ABs and Diamond Industrials all come together in one place. So let me know, which is your favourite of the last 3 Oraloas that I have unboxed? Would you have saved this one till last or not? Would you have done this one first? A couple of these will be going into my stash, into my logbook. So I do like to take this off. This will go in my logbook when I sort those out. In fact, I think I've got Tangerine Dream here. Yeah, so it is different colouring. It's got the orange, but it is different colouring to this one. But they're still both extremely gorgeous paintings. So I'll pop a link to this one down below in case you fancy it for yourself. This one, I've got it in squares. I'm not sure if it's available in both or not. Unfortunately, I haven't got my laptop in here for me to check. It's currently busy doing a bit of work. But yeah, I'm going to pop this one in my stash and we'll see how soon I get to do it. But thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.